Hi, this is Hema from Satyukt Analytics. Today I'll be speaking about one of the major diseases of paddy crop, that is rice blast. As we know, India is the second largest producer of rice crop, where half of the population of the world consumes rice. But this crop is being infected with many pest and diseases. One such disease is called as rice blast. This rice blast is being caused by the fungus Pyroclaria oryzea. If at all proper management practices are not followed, we can observe 60 to 80% of the crop loss. This disease was identified way back in 1918 in India of Tanjavur districts of Tamil Nadu. But as of now, this disease is being seen in almost 80 different countries where rice crop is being grown. So, what are the favorable conditions for this disease? As we know from the fungal diseases, the temperature, rainfall, and the relative humidity plays a wide important role in the disease development. So, coming to the temperature, especially during the night time, the temperatures are low, say about 15 to 20 degrees Celsius, or somewhere the temperatures below 26 degrees Celsius are also favorable for the disease development. In the relative humidity, if the relative humidity is higher, very high humidity, say about 95 to 99% of relative humidity, and there is continuous rainfall, the cloudy weather, these are the conditions which are favorable for the disease development. So, how can we identify the disease? As we know, this disease infects almost all parts of the plant. The disease is seen in any stage of the plant growth, say from seedling stage to the maturity stage. Here you can see in the figure 2, if the leaf has been infected, it is called as leaf blast. So how can we identify this? We can see small round spots on the leaf. These spots later enlarges into larger part where they form into spindle shape, where we can see gray color in the middle surrounded by dark brown margins. So coming to the figure 3, you can see the nodal part has been infected. This is called as nodal blast, where you can see black lesions in the nodal region. So once the nodal region is infected, the parts above the nodal region gets eventually fall and they die. So coming to the neck part, when the disease is infected in the neck region, we can see gray spots on the neck region. Once the disease is seen in the neck region, the entire plant, the panicles, they fall and die off. Coming, if at all in the neck region, if it is seen in the milky stage, we can observe that no grain is formed in the panicles. In the later stages, we cannot see if at all the grains are formed. The grains which are formed would be of poor quality. So, how can we know how the disease is being spread? As we know, it is a fungal disease. The fungal spores usually spread from wind and through irrigation and through weeds which are grown in the field, and sometimes from the independent crops which are grown in the rice field. So how can we manage this? So coming to the management practices, one should maintain proper sanitation in the rice field. So proper sanitation means proper weeding should be carried out at regular intervals. And if at all the disease is being observed in the initial stages, one can spray carbendazole 2 gram per liter per acre. So to know more about this disease, you can download Sat2Farm application from Google Store. And thanks for watching.